guys, welcome back to HIKOCO's channel. Hi Coco. Today I thought I would sit down and share with you my favorite makeup items that I use on a daily basis. For those of you who are curious, I'm a winter vivid, which means I'm a cool tone. For me, I like to go for a natural look, putting more focus on the base makeup. My day-to-day office makeup look is all about simplicity and looking put together, but I love to add up pop colors to my lips to highlight my look. As I've been asked what I have used for my daily makeup frequently, I will share my recent holy grails to our beauties. Here's my daily makeup pouches, and let's get started. When it comes to my base makeup, my priority is having it last all day. I have oily dehydrated skin, so my skin feels dehydrated, but my T-zone gets so oily throughout the day. So I need to find base makeup products that won't leave my skin feeling dry, but at the same time last throughout the entire day, even on my oily areas like T-zones or U-zone. My holy grail for base makeup that I tend to use every day is Peripera Mood Fit Cover Cushion. I'm currently using number 2 Ivory Fit. This Peripera Mood Fit Cover Cushion will be released soon in HIKOCO, but while I was testing this product, I immediately fell in love with this. Look at how pretty this packaging is. It's so unique and it's so Y2K. And I found that the shape of the puff is quite different too. It has so much curves and edges, so it can reach every corners of my face, and it blends out the foundation so well without a cakey finish. This is semi-matte finish with medium to high coverage, but it's not too cakey and it's not too thick, but it's not runny at all. I love how that it adheres really well to my skin, giving a beautiful semi-matte finish and lasts all day without budging. And it covers my pores as well, just creates really smooth skin texture. These days, I only use this product for my base. Look at my skin, so good. And next up is my cute little packaging, the Lilybyred Love Beam Glow Veil. On a daily basis, I don't usually highlight until we bring this lovely Lilybyred Glow Veil highlighters. The heart-shaped packaging instantly grabbed my attention and it's just so cute. I have to include it into my daily pouch because it highlights my pouch. Although it is a powder, it's super creamy and it sits on my skin so beautifully. Its aura-like beams enhances my features, adding a very pretty pearl scent finish to complete my base makeup. I usually put it on my nose tip and cupid bows. 2 different shades, number 1 and number 2. So number 1 is more suitable for cool tone. It's like a purpley basis with more towards to white silvery finish. Number 2 is more towards to pink. I love it. My holy grail brow pencil, the Lilybyred Skinny Mesh Brow Pencil. I'm using number 3 dark brown. Filling my eyebrows in is must in my daily makeup routine. Actually, I can't go out even to the supermarket without having eyebrows. I think eyebrows frame my face, so I can't miss this step out. To be honest, I used to use non-cream brand eyebrows. For my sparse brows, I need fine, waterproof, and long-lasting brow pencils. But I couldn't find the perfect one from kbeauty brands. Since trying out the Lilybyred eyebrow pencil, I don't need to stock up on expensive brow pencils every time I travel overseas. For my eyebrows, I was always looking for very delicate, fine pencils. I think this is just the right eyebrow pencil for me. I love how the Lilybyred eyebrow pencil is super thin. It's just a 1.55mm, so I can draw delicate and fine lines to replicate my eyebrow hair. And this pencil is also not too soft or not too hard, so it won't break while I was drawing my eyebrow. Oh yeah, this one. The next up is the Peripera Speedy Pencil Liner. Yet another new arrival from Peripera and another one that I've been using daily. The Speedy Pencil Eyeliner comes in various shades of browns. That is why this has become my daily eyeliner for natural makeup look. And on the top, it blends softly and it won't smudge on the eyes even if you're sweating or oily throughout the day. If you think the black eyeliner are too overpowering for your features, try using brown colors instead. This number 4 soft touch has cool undertone, and I occasionally using number 5, the rosy, to extend the outer corner of my eyes. It naturally enlarges my eye sizes and define my shapes. So this two combo is my top pick for my eyeliner these days. And the next up is the Rom&nd Twinkle pen liner. Ta-da! For the finishing touch, I always like to add some sparkles to my daily makeup look. It's not for every day, but whenever I wear the glasses, it often creates a shadow around my eyes and it looked like a dark circles. So I chose to use some glitters to brighten my eye area. The Rom&nd Twinkle pen liner is a pen type, so the sparkles adhere really well to your skin, even to your eye area. So I normally apply number 3 Rosy Sparkle at the center of my lower lashes. So it will light up my eyes beautifully and it's not too overpowering. Actually, this is my all-time favorite, but I haven't mentioned this product in my previous video, so I chose this one as my recent holy grail. I don't use mascara for every day because it takes extra time to remove it at the end of the day, but for the special occasion and whenever I take the videos, I use mascara. It was really hard to find the perfect one for my lashes as I don't have much in the first place and my lashes never stay curled by the end of the day. But this Etude Curl Fix Mascara curls my lashes perfectly and actually stays fixed all day without any smudging. I love how it creates a doe-eyed look as it lengthens my lashes without any clumping. I've been using grey brown in particular as this color isn't too overpowering once again, and actually it's so subtle yet enhances my eyes perfectly for my natural day-to-day makeup. So if you are looking for the best lash lift effect mascara, I think this Etude House Curl Fixer is the one that you're looking for. And the next product is Tocobo Vita Glazed Lip Mask. As the cold seasons are coming, my lips tend to get so dried or sometimes it's chapped. To be honest, I don't like sticky lip sleeping mask or lip balm, so I always try to avoid it. But when I found this one, oh my gosh, this is my SOS lip remedy that I use like every single day. This Tocobo lip mask is one of my favorite. It is very luscious, light buttery texture, which is exactly what I need to keep my chapped lips moisturized. It doesn't leave any uncomfortable stickiness. So you can use it as daily lip balm or you can apply it at nighttime before you go to bed. So use it as a lip sleeping mask. It's so creamy with delicious scent. And next up is my all-time favorite, the Rom&nd Blur Fudge Tint. I know glossy lips are the kbeauty trend right now, but I simply cannot give up the matte lip finishes. I love the blur tint in particular because it's able to blur out my lip lines for a smooth, filter-like look as it applies without any clumping. And I use number 1 Pomelo Coat and number 7 Cool Rose Up the most, and it softly blurs, creates so nice texture and color, and it blends into my original lip colors. It has a soft velvety formula, so I always love to use it as a blush. The last but not least is Rom&nd Lip Mate Pencil number 5 Taupe shade. To highlight my lips, contouring is a must to create fuller lips. Did you know as you get older, your lips lose their volume and the lip line is not so defined? Even I don't have time to draw a lip liner in the morning, I always make sure to contour my lips with Rom&nd Lip Mate pencil. And it's really interesting to see this kind of shade from the lip pencil. It's brown taupe shade that naturally blends in, and it's perfect contour lines and cupid bows. Right under the bottom of the lips as well. I would say you can sculpting your face with this contouring lip pencil. Can't live without this lip pencil anymore. So this is the end of today's video. How was it? These are all my holy grail, top most favorite makeup products that I always use for my daily makeup. I tried my best to not talk about the products I've already mentioned so many times in the previous video, and these are simply what I use to achieve my daily office makeup look. The Easter sale may just be coming very soon to HIKOCO, so why don't you get ready and save your favorite K-beauty products to your wish list. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!